Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a pretty mini popcorn bag. Let's get started. To make it, we need a 1 mm poly thread and a 1.25 mm hook. We will make the back body and the lid of the bag first. We need to make a slip knot and a chain of 17. Now I got a chain of 17 here. I will chain one and make a row with only single crochet stitch. Now I got the first row. I will chain one and make 2 single crochets. Next, I chain 2 and skip a stitch. Make a popcorn at the next stitch. To make the popcorn, I need to make 5 double crochets. After having enough 5 double crochets, I will leave the hook from the loop. Insert the hook from the front loop to the back loop of the first double crochet. Then insert the hook to the 5th loop and pull through. Then I chain 1 to secure the popcorn. Okay, I have the popcorn here. I will continue to chain 2 and skip a stitch. Insert the hook to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip a stitch and make a popcorn at the next stitch. We will repeat this until the end of the row. At the end of the row, I have the popcorn here. I will make a double crochet to finish this row. To make the second row, I will chain 1 and flip it around. Make 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet above the double crochet and 1 single crochet above the popcorn. Two chains, a popcorn above the single crochet. By making 5 double crochets, then leave the hook from the loop. Insert the hook from the back loop to the front loop of the first double crochet. Insert the hook to the 5th loop and pull through. Chain 1 to secure. All the way across. I made a total of 20 popcorn rolls. At the last row, I will only make single crochet stitches. To make the edge, I will use the gold color and make single crochets around. We have finished the back body and the leg of the bag. Now we will make the front body of the bag. I make a chain of 19. Chain 1 and make another single crochet row. I will make a total of 16 rows. To make the bottom of the bag, I need to make 8 rows with 19 single crochets each row. We will need another 2 hip pieces. For each piece, we will make 16 rows with 8 single crochets each row. Then we will sew on pieces together. Now we have our bag. We need to make a strap here, so I will use the gold color. We begin to make a slip stitch above the left side of the lid. And then I chain 75. And then make a slip stitch at the right side of the lid. Then make 25 single crochets above the chain. And weave in the ends to finish. If it is hard to weave, you can use a small hook to weave it. The last thing to make is sewing the bottom pair to the lid and the front body of the bag. Our popcorn mini bag is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!